All right, doing the nylog again for the bottom.
Mira. Poquito.
Yeah, yeah. On the threads. Yeah. And then no here, okay?
Yeah, no.
No inside the no
Yeah.
center. Only back here.
Okay.
Good. So basically what we're doing here is we're connecting the inside unit with the outside unit. And then we put nylog on the top already and nylog at the bottom. Notice that he only puts it on the outside of the flare. And then we're going to put it on the threads. We don't put it in the middle of the threads. Now it's on the, there. Good. And then now. And then for the bottom with a lot of torque, you're going to have to add another wrench in here to hold it while you use the bigger wrench the other side. Is that hold on, is that a 17?
Yeah.
Or which size?
17, maybe.
No, it's grande, right?
No, pequeño. 19?
19?
Yeah.
Oh, I have 19. I have 18, 19. Try 19? I don't think 19.
No.
So
20?
21?
No.
22?
22.
I tell you 23.
That's okay.
22?
Yeah.
Okay, momento. Let me give you this one. You have to hold. Okay, he used one.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. 17? 17.
Yeah.
This is an important video to document. You're supposed to put a torque wrench in here to figure it out, but that's that. We're going to try human feelings. He's going to put the adapter on there. All right.
Okay.
So now you do the tape for the separate.
Okay.
You got the extension cord, Chris?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Since you didn't see it, I got it all on video for you, Chris. Nylog's in the right place.